for prayer and to be followed by Madam Jen for Philippine National Anthem. Let us bow our head and put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Lord God, thank you for
Mayang makilig, perlasi ng alam, alab ng puso, sa gilid mo'y buhay.
Rivers Gale Party.
And the banner of grade 2 representative.
Clapping hands.
I am Christian Ruel G. Reyes, running for grade 3 representative under the banner of Achievers Guild Party. Please vote for me. Good morning everyone, my name is Kylie Pamela S. Dixon, running for grade 4 representative. Please vote for me. Good morning everyone, I am Patrick Lorenzo and Ubi. I am running for grade 5 representative under the banner of Achievers Guild Party. Please vote for me.
Good morning, I am Morpheus Quezon. I am running for the position as a representative under the banner of Achievers Guild Party. Please vote.
I am Nathan Polar Andaloy, grade 6 student, running for PRO. I will not promise anything, but I will do my best. Thank you.
First of all, good morning to each and everyone. I know it is not unknown to you that I'm one of the candidates for secretary here in school, and also this is my first time to join in this kind of activity. So, if you will give me a chance to prove my capability, I promise to you that I'll do my best to perform my duties and responsibilities as secretary. Once again, this is John Elvis Arcañones, hoping for your support. Thank you.
Good morning students, teachers, and everybody. Let us introduce you our party. I am Aimee Ann Tan, running for governor for this school year. I am the former vice governor of student council last year, and I am willing to take the responsibilities as a governor, and will always be your it will always be your choice. Here are some of our plans. We will implement disciplinary action to make the students more disciplined. Plus, we will guide the clubs here: the Achievers Club, Math, English, Science, Filipino, and all other clubs. Then we will be having a monthly game, and we will give a prize for those winners. We will also be implementing a club named Let's Use It One More Time, where we will recycle all used things that can be used again. We will also be having our weekly newspaper drive. It will be one of our contests wherein we can use newspaper again. Plus, it will be our way of buying prizes. And we will also help other students with their subjects if they need to be helped. Once again, I am Aimee Ann Tan, running for governor this year. In behalf of Joshua Pasaba, he is running for treasurer this school year. And also John Del Santiago, he is running for vice governor for this school year. Thank you. Most Strict Achievers Guild Party. I am Kate Simon S. Dixon, grade 1 student, running for position of migrant representative. Please vote for me and me. Thank you again, Kate Simon Dixon, for
grade 2 representative under the banner of United Students Party. I may be young age, but I'm not enough old to do duties and responsibilities of being representative. So please vote for me, and I'm hoping for your cooperation. Thank you,
Good morning, everyone. I am Eliza Quinar Andaloy, representing grade 3 class under the banner of United Student Party. Please vote for me.
Classmate and to Madam Alba. My name is Kevin Larry D. Quitoriano, running for grade 4 representative and under the banner of United Students Party. Please vote for me.
Good morning. I am Jomari Omalang, running for grade 5 representative under the banner of United Student Party. Please vote for me.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Christian James Piastilla, running for grade 6 representative, running for grade 6 representative under the banner of United Student Party. Please vote for me.
Good morning to all teachers, classmates, and my fellow Bermudians. I am Jeremiah Christian Chango, grade 6, under the banner of United Student Party, running for Student Council PRO. Please vote for me.
A pleasant morning to all teachers, administrators, fellow Bermudians, classmates, and to Madam Alda. I am Abigail M. Ignacio, a third-year high school student and running for the position of Vice Governor under the banner of United Students Party. 2009-2010 election is important to the short-term and long-term future of Redwood School Incorporated. We need a strong leadership this year. I am not maybe the best candidate, but I can be a good qualified leader with my governor to lead the student council and student body. If ever I win in this position, I will help the campus to maintain its cheerful atmosphere, to propose cleanliness in each and every classroom, to have a campus club like math, science, music, and arts, to remain the core values and honor codes in each and every heart of the Redwoodians, and to make them a good qualified leader in the future. Before I end my speech, I would like to remind you all that the position of Student Council Vice Governor is not a figurehead. This is a real job with real hard work, and it is my pleasure to do my duties and obligation if I win as a Vice Governor. I am only asking for your moral support and cooperation. Please vote wisely and honestly. Again, Abigail Ignacio for Vice Governor. Thank you and good morning.
Good morning, everyone. I am Paulo Lorenzo Clavier, and I'm running for the position of governor, and I will promote the cleanliness and orderliness of the school. I promise to improve all of the facilities of the school. And
Gastos mo, ah.
that's all. Thank you.
Go.
Vote straight, United Student
Party.